On my website, interactiveartwork.com, I made a fighting game. It's really cool. I think it's the best game that I made. Number one, how I added sound. I added sound and interactive buttons at the beginning frame, the time is up frame, the you win frame, and the you lose frame. To do this, I first recorded the sound using the Microwave program on my computer, and then I embedded the sound into Flash. Then I used Adobe Flash's import to library function, and I did it for like each of my different sounds that I added for my game. And then on my website and stuff, I go into detail like how I did that. Number two, how I made the fighter opponent react when getting hit. To do this, I made 6 different movie clips. I gave them names: Tree, Tree 2, Tree 3, Fighter, Water Cover /MC, and Water Cover /MC2. The opponent attack movie clip, which I placed into the normal stance, as well as the hit movie clips. I placed codes within the opponent attack movie clip, which is the tree symbol that I made, to make the normal stance invisible and the hit stance visible. I also placed a code with a time limit so that when the whole movie clip, which is a tree movie clip, is within range of the player, the opponent will attack the player. On my website and stuff, I display all the codes and stuff. You can copy and paste, to get that. Number 3, how I made my health gauge. I made my game so that whenever you attack the opponent loses health. I also set it up so that when the opponent attacks you, like, you lose health. And then on the website, I go into detail on that. And then finally, number 4, how I made the time limit. I gave my game a time limit. First thing I did was build a time is up screen, which I placed on frame 3 of the game. I set it up so that you go to the time is up screen when the time is up, and the time would also stop and reset when either player or the opponent's health runs out. And then on my website, I got the code on that. And then last but not least, I almost forgot about this, the player movement code. I got that and stuff on my website as well.